All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another live trading session. I am Dave, your host, and we're about to get into these markets. Once again, we had a little bit of news pre-market, but today is a big day in the markets because we are going to have the federal funds rate. And that's definitely going to determine what the markets do next, right? Some are expecting a hike, some are not. We will see what happens with the rates. We're going to talk to Steve and Alejandra, who should join us in a few, and we'll see if we can find some trades, right? But today, I also want to talk about different things. I've been receiving questions regarding the end of day drawdown. I've been getting questions regarding a lot regarding the consistency rule. So we're definitely going to talk about that. I'm going to show you a few examples. I'm going to show you, for example, one account I'm trading right now, an evaluation, and where I stand, because I essentially made too much profits on one trade. So I think that's a very good case and a very good scenario to show everyone what the consistency rule is, what it means, and how you can, navigate that. So yeah, it's going to be a fun day. Let me know where you're looking at us from. Let me know how you're doing. I hope you've been having a great time in the markets. And yeah, we're about to get into these markets. Remember, we have the summer plan going on. Actually, I want to showcase it to you here. We have, let me zoom back out. We have a friend here that is buried in the sand. Thankfully, it's not his head that's in the sand, but we have the industry's first 100K and 150K swing accounts. So if I understand things correctly, we are the only ones to offer swing accounts in the futures trading space, which means you are able to hold your trade overnight from Monday to Friday afternoon. You can't hold over the weekend. Remember to close your trade before the weekend, otherwise you lose the account. But if you are into swing trading, into holding trades for a long time, well, you are at the right place. And we are offering great prices on top of offering the new accounts. So the 25K is just $69, 50K is 120, 100K is 189, 150K is 219 bucks. So for 200 bucks, you are getting $150,000 in buying power. I mean, that's a pretty good deal if you ask me. And then you have the limits here. The evaluation phase and funded stage have essentially the same rules. So go ahead, take advantage of that. On top of that, if you get these accounts, you also get rewarded with each payout and each stage you pass, right? So for the funded stage, you get 15 hub credits, first payout 20, second payout 25, and on the third payout, you get a full account refund. So you're essentially getting an account for free. I mean, that's a pretty good deal if you ask me. Not I don't know of prop firms giving you swing accounts, let alone paying you hub credits and giving you an account for free. So it's Christmas in July. Go ahead, take advantage of the summer plan. And while I'm blabbering, I'm hearing my doorbell ring because somebody is in the background. Whenever he or she, this mysterious person, is ready, we'll bring he or she forward. There she is. There she is. There she is. There she is. Betty, as usual. We're happy to see you. How you doing?
Good morning, everyone. I'm good. How are you guys?
I hope they're doing great. I see the comments coming in. Now, you know what's crazy? Do you
Huh.
realize, without even talking to each other, we've been matching clothes every day. Monday you wore black, I wore black. Today I wore gray,
Holy.
you're wearing gray. So we got to keep this trend going because
Right?
we're just, we're matching. We're matching.
So cool. I like
Awesome,
it.
awesome. So how you been? Good?
Yeah, been good.
Awesome,
Um,
awesome, awesome. All right,
yeah.
let me just say hi to the chat really quickly. We got BTC USD in the house. Haven't seen you in a while. Bom dia, because I know you're watching us from Brazil. We got the man Ernest in the house. We got Cowish. How you doing? How you doing? We got Giovanni himself here. We got Rookmir, who was just with me in the Discord. Lavin is back. How you doing? Really? It creeps you out? I like it. Well, we're still wait. I think the laptop is waterproof, so I think he's good.
Is it?
I don't know. It better be if you're at the beach like that with your laptop. Um, Let me switch back to these markets.
Yeah, I'm
What's up?
excited. Gold looks like it's coming back down to my demand area, but I've been wanting to see if it's going to break below that area. So we'll see. We'll see what
We'll
happens.
see. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, we're getting close to that $4,000 area. We were talking about that pre-market. Remember, we have news today. We have the Fed rate at 2 p.m. We have Warsh speaking at 2 p.m. And then we got a tweet from the president himself. I keep calling them tweets, even though they're not called that anymore. But he's attacking Iran again. So that's why we're seeing the markets push lower. So
What
if
what are
if
they
you like
called
shorting,
now?
uh, I don't know. Exes. All my exes live in Texas like I'm George Strait. Huh?
I was just about to sing that song.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice. So you're a Drake fan?
It used to be, I guess.
Okay.
A lot of his old songs are really good.
Yeah, I
I
like.
I,
Yeah,
I loved a lot of his songs.
yeah. Same
He
here.
has,
I like old Drake, just like I like old Kanye. But
oh,
I don't know what happened. Something happened along the way. They kind of changed on us, but
something always
st-
happens usually.
still enjoy the music. Um,
All right, did you do the analysis so far?
We did
Or
it. No, and I haven't done the analysis yet. We did it pre-market, but we're gonna see.
all right, chat. So, are you guys ready to bank or what?
I think they're ready. First of all, go hit that like button. Go subscribe if you're not.
Yes.
Master Scalper saying he needs an account for free. Well, stay tuned. We're not only. First of all, here's how you could get an account for free. We're giving out hub credits in the Discord for chart analysis. We're also giving out hub credits to. I forgot to do it today. Actually, I'm gonna do it when you come in into the morning show. I do in Discord, so you could get hub credits on these ends. On top of that, we're gonna have very soon some 1v1 competitions. So you're going to be able to battle me, Alejandra, Steve, Caesar, etc. to win free accounts. We had a lot of fun last time. So
We're
I
getting
think
that
it's going to
back.
be
That's
fun.
cool.
Yeah, we're getting that back. That's coming. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. You got OCD. Giovanni saying he's long gold.
Really already?
He says, and I
Oh,
have bad news. Dollar regain and upshock. Regain. All right, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I'm saying somebody get the door. We got the door.
let's bank you some.
That's it.
Oh,
That's it. Everybody's in the house. When trying to put an order on MCL, it's rejected by risk. Is oil not included? Oil is included. And if it's rejecting it, let me see what's going on. Let me try to place an
how many
order right
how
now.
many micros are you going in with? Because sometimes uh, it's a little bit more expensive, I guess.
Let me see something. MCL. Somebody trading oil.
All right, so I have 2 funded accounts and 2 almost funded accounts.
I like it. Oh, we're going to talk. By the way, I'm ready for you. We're going to talk about consistency today. I have it
No, I
down.
feel like I'm getting grounded.
No, no, no. I'm going to talk about it because, so it's clear for everybody. There's some people who don't understand the consistency rule. And I was like, man, how do I explain it in a clear way? On top of that, Daniel, our Discord, one of our Discord mods, made something awesome. He made a calculator. So,
Oh, cool. Damn.
yeah.
That's smart.
So we're gonna be able to showcase that in a few. Let me just see if I could get that oil trade in. All right, MCL. All right, it's giving me an error and shouldn't, so I'm gonna let, does the futures one work? MCL futures.
I was just looking at all the accounts that I have, so I can see which one I want to trade.
I like it.
So I think we're gonna go lower on M&Q for sure.
For sure. Okay. I like you said, for sure.
I want to see a sweep of the lows before, because we're kind of consolidating here. We're in between these two areas. And let's see.
We're gonna see. By the way, there is an issue with the MCL contract, so I'm letting support know, because you should be able to trade oil. FYI.
Oh, I know what I could do. Are you playing music? Oh, you're right. Lavin, we also might consolidate until FOMC for sure. We can get a little bit of movement. That's why I wanted to see what account I wanted to trade.
Yeah. We were talking about that pre-market, how maybe you can see some sideways action. And let me show you what we were looking at pre-market, actually. NQ. Got a lot of scribbles.
Oh, wow.
So, K Rizzy, it's before the 80%. So basically, it's the request. All right. So looking at the asset, let me go to a 15-minute. We are. So there's a lot of squiggles here. Let me try to get them out of the way. NQ. So we are pushing lower, so can't disagree with you there. We had somewhat of an uptrend yesterday from around midnight. We pushed up, broke that little uptrend. Now we're, continuing to the downside. So possible targets could be, those 27,800s, then 27,750s, and then even lower to 27,600, etc., especially with the negative news we got from Trump and with oil pushing higher. The one thing is, though, we are in between two pretty interesting areas. So we have this being the point of control, and we had this being a point of control. So if we do push higher when we open, this area in between 28,000 and let's call it 27,890s, more or less, could be an area where we see a lot of sideways consolidation and positioning before 2 p.m. and then we finally decide and break wherever we want to go. So it's something I'm going to keep an eye out for. But it might not do that and do the complete opposite. So we'll see.
Let me see. I'm gonna pull up trading view because.
Go ahead.
I got used to charting on there. I used to do it on MQ, but I used to do it on trading view.
What?
I used to chart on TradingView. Sorry, on I can't even think today. Oh my god.
Okay, that's why I got confused. You said you're gonna pull up TradingView and use the chart on TradingView. So I'm like, wait, where are we charting now?
Sorry, I used to chart on Think or Swim,
Oh, okay.
but uh, it's faster to chart on TradingView.
I gotta say, nothing beats TradingView. I haven't found a piece of at least charting software that beats TradingView. For me, it's awesome, and I don't know, it's not only now they have the desktop app and the the web version, so you can check anywhere. Their phone app is great. Overall, I think it's a great platform. There you can get into the way they have the community built is great as well, where you can share indicators, share ideas, share. I think it's a great platform. I wish they had some stock or crypto I could invest in, but they don't.
Wait, really? On
Nah, they don't.
TradingView?
They're a private company, so you can't invest in TradingView.
Look, I'm so good. I'm so good.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. I charted. So yesterday I was when I was doing my class on Discord,
Uh huh.
I had the delayed version, and I'm like, why is it delayed if I pay for it, right? And it's because I was signed on to a different account.
Okay.
And I just realized that I was so when I first paid for it, I didn't have my trading email, so I
Mm-hmm.
used my fitness email, and then apparently somehow I changed my username to Alejandra Trades on my fitness email.
Mm.
So I kept logging on to my trading email last night, and I'm like, I know I paid for it, like I know I did. And so now I logged into my other email, and there it is. So now I have it back. And what I'm looking at here is what I had originally drawn out, I think last week for my analysis. My voice is like almost 100% back, but it's like kind of annoying.
It's like 10% AI and then 90% Alejandra. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you
And
had you mixed up your accounts.
yeah. So anyway, now that I have it back, do you guys see how I had this green line where I said we might pop in back up into that white area or that white mid zone of the daily bullish fair value gap? And then from there we're gonna come back down to this order block, the blue line, which we reject perfectly from it. It didn't give us that bounce, but I said it would come down to this main area. So what I'm looking for is apparently I wanted to come down to 27 like 450s because that's where it had the previous last run from.
Yep.
So it'll be interesting to see if we're going to just like come down from there or if we're going to get a bounce and then go down. So,
We're gonna see. We're gonna see what happens. I do not disagree with this analysis. I think that call it 27,500 area is of interest. We could see for the past 2 days they've started, to nibble a little bit to kind of front run and start buying that dip. So we'll see if the dip holds. There's definitely a possibility that we could push lower and go test those 27,400s levels. It's 500 points away, so that's nothing for the Nasdaq. We saw a 700 point the other day, 700 point down move day. So we'll definitely see what happens.
yeah. Wait, oh, never mind.
Good morning. Hey, JPMA. We haven't seen you in a while. Good to see you back. Good to see you back. We got low R07 saying, how can you join our Discord? Well, I'm going to show you, actually. I'm going to show you right now with my account that I'm logged into. Actually, let me re-log in because
Can we
it's
share
signing me
my
out.
Discord too?
Sure, we can put it in the chat. Your information is in the description as well. By the way, if you want to follow
Oh.
Alejandra everywhere, her info is in the description.
Mhm.
Steve's info is there. My info is pending.
I'm gonna quickly tell my Discord that I'm on here.
Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. I'm just loading up my account so we can look at how you can join the Discord. You do have to have an account.
I have a song stuck in my head.
Which one is it? All my exes live in Texas like it's George Strait? Like I'm George Strait?
No, it's one by Carol G.
Oh, I like Carol G.
Okay, now I'm gonna do a post.
All right.
Yeah, that was funny.
All right. All right. I'm going to switch to my account for a quick, to my screen for a quick second.
Yeah, go for it.
So if you are logged into your account and scroll all the way down, you're going to see the 5ers and then you're going to see futures. Right? So all our socials are there. So you could, go on the live, Instagram, it's TikTok, etc. If you want to join the Discord, you click on this link on the upper left corner and you will get an invitation to go there, right? Now, since we are talking about, what is it? We were talking about consistency rules. So we're going to touch on that right now. This is an eval that I'm, going through right now. We're going through the motions. We're at about $300,000. I mean, $300, not 300,000, away from that 3K in profit. But even if I reach that 3K, I won't pass the challenge. Why? Because my consistency is at 71%. Why? Well, because I had one trade be much too large. Yesterday, I took a trade after the live stream and netted, let's see, 1,992. So almost $2,000 in profit in one trade. What that does is it throws off my consistency. So we're going to bring the calculator here and we're going to see what happens when you make too much profit. So I have this consistency calculator here made by Daniel. We are using a 50K account. It is an eval. So let's say I took one trade and made $500 and then another trade and made $650. Well, my best trade is $650. That means that right now I haven't reached the target and I'm at 56% consistency. Why 50? Because my total is roughly 50% of this. Let's change this to 500. If I made two trades where I made $500 in profit, my consistency would be 50-50. Why? Because 500 is half of my total profit. So let's get back. Let's put more realistic numbers. Said I made 500 on a trade. I made 450 on another trade. And then I made, let's say, 675 on another trade. Well, let's keep going. And then I made, let's say, 230 on another trade. Okay, so consistency is good, but my net P&L is not where it needs to be yet. And then say you did like I did yesterday. You made $2,000 on just one trade. Well, I've made the total 3,000 plus 3,800, but my consistency isn't good. Why? Because out of that total, that 3,000, that one trade, my best trade, represents more than 40% of the total. So what that means is I need to continue to trade. And the good thing about this calculator here, it says to bring it under 40%, you need to make about 1,145 more in profits, right? So let's say I make exactly that, 1,145, boom. That brings me just at 40%. The easier way would be to take a couple more trades. So let's say 500 on one trade and then 750 on another trade. Well, then I would pass the challenge. I would have had to make more profit, so 5,000 in total net profit, but that brings me down under the total consistency. So that explains how you stay under the consistency rule. I'm gonna ask Daniel if I could share this link with everybody so they can calculate their consistency in an easier way, and I hope this helps explain it. And then I have a second way I'm going to explain it visually. So I'm 1,000% sure everybody understands it. So let's go back to Black Arrow. And then let's consider this box to be our $3,000 in profit. Okay, so this is 0. This is 3,000. This is how much we need to make, right? If I cut it down the middle, that means I made 50-50. So 1,500, 1,500. But if I made 2,000, that means I cut it there. So what they're telling you with the consistency rule essentially is if we divide this here, that means no trade can be bigger than this right here. So you need to slice this up into multiple trades in order to pass the challenge. So that would be 40, and then that could be 20, 20, 20% of the 3,000. So I hope that kind of explains it. All right.
All right. Good morning, Medina and Ty. And I saw you followed my IG. Say hi. Because I usually don't DM first.
Uh-oh. Okay.
There's just other accounts that are trying to beat me.
They're trying to be you or beat you?
Be me.
Oh, be you? Wait, you're getting copycats already?
Oh, yeah. Since like 3 months ago.
Wow. I felt proud the other day. I had somebody impersonate me in Discord. I was like, "Woof."
Ooh,
Are we famous much? Famous much? That
Yeah,
was
seriously.
interesting. It was weird though. I'm like, what is going on?
Yeah, I don't know. I think that they try to scam. Like, I have a girl on my Discord who sent me a screenshot of like the conversation they had, and they're legit. It looks like they're in India because they only, or like somewhere like in a different country or whatever, because they only text her at night.
Interesting. Yeah, probably the not the time frame, but yeah, the time zone's different. You know who has a bunch of copycats? Steve.
Oh shoot! Really?
I was in this Discord and I had 3 different Steves write me. Yeah, and I had fun with one of them. He was showing me, 6-figure trades, whatever, and I just played around with him a little bit, and then showed him had to block him. But yeah, it's crazy out there. The scamming is crazy.
We have 1 minute until market open.
1 minute until the open. We shall see what happens. I'm going to switch to your screen because I know one that kills it on the open. I'm a scaredy cat, and I wait for those 15 minutes. Don't jinx it.
I'm gonna trade I'm not gonna trade my funded account at open because I want to fund another one.
Nice. She's just stacking up accounts like it's bricks.
I want to see if it will reach the bottom of this box here.
I'm saying the BTC I sent to Steve was a fake Steve. Yeah, right.
Please don't go without me.
What's up, Take Keith? How you doing? No problem, Usam. Here we go.
I don't think it's gonna give it to me. Shoot. Okay. Let's see.
All right. Let's see where we want to go. Do we want to go up or down?
All right, I'm getting ready. Fingers on the trigger. Oh, come on. It didn't even give me another. No! It gave me exactly what I wanted, but it happened way too fast.
We can wait. There's time.
I just want to see a retest.
Let's wait. I think there's time. No pressure, by the way. You don't have to take trades.
I had my perfect entry. I wanted it to hit that yellow box.
Okay, sorry.
It's all right. Let's see how this one closes. All right. I'm in. I want to see if it'll give me. Yeah, that should be a pretty good entry. I really wanted it up here, but it's okay.
It is all right. Let's see what we get. Different possible targets.
All right, so if it goes there, that'll be perfect. I'll fund that.
Oh, you almost got this one funded?
Yeah, I just need 700.
So casually said. I just need 700. I just need 3 days worth of a regular American person's payroll. I keep saying it, sorry. But yeah, we're pushing down, pushing lower so far. Let's see what we get. I think most were bearish, and rightly so. We have been pushing lower, so why fight the trend? We'll see what's going on. We got Zed Trader, aka Mark, in the house. So we'll see what happens. We shall see what happens.
Oh no! I need to change Wi-Fi really quick.
Go ahead. I'll switch to my screen while you change. And I am just watching the markets for now, not taking any positions just yet. You see this looking at like a pilot dashboard. It's just a, I like to have fun creating indicators. So this is a little indicator I've been working on. We'll see what happens.
Am I back?
Yes, you're back.
I got stopped out. Maybe.
All
yeah.
Right. No problem. Looks like they're holding firm. Switching to the ES. Let me see what's happening over there on ES territory. So yeah, we're holding these lows, sort of almost equal lows from the Asian session on the ES. I see they're buying. Let me switch to my Black Arrow platform, see what's going on.
I took a small loss.
All good. We're waiting.
Wow, it tapped into that again? Is this live? What price are we at? 930?
940? 940, yeah. 946, 45. They're trying to break these highs, pushing it higher. So let's see. Is it going to be a retest of the trend that we had yesterday or not? They're recovering. So yeah, we talked about pre-market, how they started to nibble at those levels, to the 2800s. So we'll see. I'm curious what SNDK and Micron are doing, because I know some people were talking about how this would be the time to buy the dip. Let's see, is an SNDK holding or not? All right, let me see what Micron's doing. Ooh, right. Micron pushing higher. Okay. And then let's just look at the other assets. Nvidia open lower but pushing higher, trying to hold. Apple wicked high but push back lower. Tesla trying to push lower. Microsoft. You know what? Let me look at market internals. I haven't looked at that in a while. What is the VIX at?
This is going to be tricky because even though we're in this range, we have a gap to fill on SPX above 7444. But I really doubt we're going to go fill that gap. Like if we do, we're going to be bullish for a little bit. Because it's pretty strong right now.
Yeah, we're holding up. Advanced decline. Let's see what I got. Pretty much neutral. Tick chart as well. Vold ticking up. Looks like they're gonna try to hold it. Let's see. I'm gonna wait and see.
Yeah, I'm gonna use SPX as my other indicator.
So interesting thing though, the The S&P is today not holding as well as the Nasdaq, but for the past few days, it had been holding up much better. So that is interesting. Are we seeing a rotation from one to the other? Because it looks like they had been buying more of the S&P 500 and selling the Nasdaq, and now there's a shift happening. Maybe we'll see. We shall see. SLK saying this is going to be a volatile day indeed. Movies time. Can we have a free prop firm account after the class? Well, you can get a free account, and you will get a free account very soon because we will have trader battles. So that's coming. You'll be able to win a free account. Also, every day you could post your analysis in our Discord and you could get free hub credits. On top of that, if you come to my pre-market prep, you get a chance to win hub credits. So if you accumulate hub credits, that is a chance for you to win a free account. And we will definitely be doing more giveaways soon.
Okay, this is the area. I just want to sweep orders. Oh my god. All right, I want to see if it'll actually give me another entry.
Let's see. Is my... Let
me see how this one opens. OBO. OBO on the tracks.
And you just tested 15. Sounds like a plan. All right, movies time.
Man, my internet's so slow.
Give me 1 second.
Are you here? You're muted.
Yeah, sorry. I'm here.
Okay. I'm in with 5 again. I'm gonna trim.
Oof. Okay, nice. 162.
I made the... See, guys, this is why you want to go in with small size, because I took a $200 loss, and it's easier to come back from a $200 loss than to come back from a bigger loss. Because then if you take another loss, it's just... You're just going to be underwater more and more and more.
Indeed. Keep them small. Coward said you never did futures trading before.
Me?
No, in the comments. I'm talking to Steve offline, by the way. He's having a little bit of trouble logging in, so I'm gonna drop off for 1 second, and I'll be right back.
Okay. All right, so I I wanted to enter up there, obviously, but I was doing something and I missed it. I wanted to also enter there, but I was a little late. So I waited for this candle to close, and I entered in on this candle. So right now we're staying below I'm on a 1 minute time frame. We're staying below this little area here. So as long as we can stay below that area and keep going lower, I'm gonna take 3 at this level, and then I'm just gonna let 2 run. Hi, Steve.
Whoa. Why is it showing you offline? What's going on? What's going on? Steve being mysterious with us today.
SPX looks like it wants to hold and push, but MNQ looks weaker. I don't like this price action. I might, if I see another higher low here, I might get out. I need it to stay below 907.
Are you there, Steve?
No, he's gone.
He's gone. Okay.
I don't like this. I don't like it, but I'm gonna stay.
Yeah, nice.
I think we're good. I think you're good. I think you're
let's
good.
go. Awesome.
Let's go.
Ooh, pretty good.
Good. It got great when Alejandra joined me, but it got better when you joined, Steve. So
Hey,
welcome.
that's what I like to hear. Thank you so
Alright.
much, Dave.
I see the weakness on SPX, so I think we're still good to go here.
Guys, it's gonna be an annoying morning. I think it's.
That's what I think too.
No,
I think so too.
did it happen again?
You froze, but you're still. I can still hear your voice. So we'll manage with a frozen face and a voice. At least we can see you.
Okay, I'll take it. I guess for me, it's just completely a black screen. Very bizarre, but hey, we'll work with what we got. We're doing it live, baby.
That's it. It's all live.
Yeah, I'm anticipating not just trouble in the studio here, but in the market. I think it's going to be a wiki choppy mess with you morning based on what I'm seeing so far and the kind of schedule ahead for FOMC. How are you guys feeling? Sorry, I should say the Fed chair talking. How are you guys feeling?
I don't know.
Okay, I'm gonna let Alejandra focus. She's focused, but I'm with you, Steve. I think it's gonna be kind of those, sideways positioning days. We're trying to find a direction, not sure where we're going. We've been pushing lower for the past, what has it been, 3 days, 6 days, sorry. And there's been talks about, okay, it's time to buy the dip. I've seen for the past 2 days a little bit of nibbling, trying to hold levels at least on the indices. But I think today is just going to be sideways action until wars talks.
Yeah, I'm totally with you there. I really have found myself not being able to trust myself to manage this kind of scenario. Not that I can't trade it, but it just wears me out. And then I end up burnt out and missing the bigger, cleaner move afterwards. So for me, I'm learning to just...
Yeah. Indeed. We got a push right off the open of 160, 150 points, which was insane. And then we went right back down to these open levels and then went right back up. Just, on top of that, we got some Trump news before the open, which kind of pushed
very volatile.
the markets down. So yeah.
I would reduce size if you guys are trading, just because it wants to. It's undecisive, and obviously, we're between these ranges here, so I don't like the price action. I don't know if we're gonna go lower than 860. I am gonna reduce my size just because I don't like it here. Just in case, I'm still bearish, but I'm just gonna reduce my size, and I'm gonna risk these areas here. Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm waiting as well. I want to see. I want to see what we do.
My
We
internet
might get a huge flush as well. You know, we don't know. There we go.
I I trimmed, so now I'm only risking like $300 again.
Nice. Nice. This feels like it wants to drop.
Oh wait, do we have somebody new? Amin? I haven't
Yeah, we
seen.
got Amin. I haven't seen Amin in a while.
All right, so it's giving me what I want. Thank you.
We go. There we go. All right.
That's it. Let's go, baby. I'm moving my risk into profit, reducing that risk.
Get it.
I'm gonna trim one more. Uh, the P&L's not live, huh?
What do you mean? The top right is if you put the correct account.
Cause I want to know like
Yeah, so top no, go all the way up where it says Alejandra. Up,
where.
up, all the way up. Top all the way up. Yeah, there, change the account. You're not able to change it? Okay, the other way to look at it is, by the way, you could choose favorites. This way you can know which account you're trading.
I have the favorites over here, but
There you go. This way you know, and then you pick the correct number. And
oh, here we go. It is 52, 7, 9.
you can't change it?
The account. I just want to see my live P&L because
Yeah, so if you click it, it'll show the live P&L instead of that simulated thing. There you go, 52,600,
okay.
etc.
Thank you. I didn't know that.
There you go. What are you looking at, Steve? I see your. Let's get it. Let's get it. I've been looking at the app, by the way. Still trying to find my way around it, but nice.
Trimming again. I'm
She's trimming her
again.
position. Yeah, the Fed's rate. Okay. So wait a second, Steve. They're saying they can't hear you for a reason, but I can. So I don't know what's going on there. Um, very weird. We'll see. We'll see. Alejandra printing profits. Yeah, try that. Try to hop back in, and we'll see. Alejandra making profits. By the way, I'm short with you. I got short around 27,843. Just two micros for me, small size. So holding. Got two TPs. So we'll see if I get them or not. One
I'm
is
also looking at PLTR calls. Steve, what do you think?
Steve went offline.
Oh, why?
Yeah, he's having a little bit of technical difficulties right now. So we'll see. But we're in the same short. So let's see if we get it. Let's see.
All right, I'm about to fund this account.
She's about to fund this account, guys. Uh-oh, she's about to fund this account. My first TP just hit.
Damn. This is when I want to do copy accounts, but it's okay.
We could talk about that off stream. There's a way to do it.
Yeah.
There we go. Pushing lower. Alejandra making profits like it's nothing as usual. Early in the morning. We're only, what is it? We're exactly 20 minutes in?
Yeah.
All right. He's back.
All right. Can you see me? Can you hear me?
I could see you. I could hear you. Let us know, chat. Can we see Steve? Can we hear Steve?
Hope so. Sorry about that, guys.
I can.
Dave, I think it might be the cache for EVMux. It might be too full for my webcam, and it might be blocking us because of that. It might be reaching a certain threshold and then making my screen go black. Because I was getting that notification that we were short on space, but I have plenty of space.
So it's I don't know if it's on your end or our end or my end. I don't know.
Well, I had this issue yesterday with the other stream. I cleared mine. That was not the issue. And then Ayush, our producer, cleared theirs, and that did clear it up for the day. But it's been a nightmare with EVMux lately. I'm not sure what's going on. Sorry,
I have to figure out. I'll ask Richard because he had talked to me about a way to clear it. That's not just a regular clearing the cache thing. So I'll look into it on our side. So we'll see.
Cool. Just letting you know. Yeah. Sorry, we can talk after stream. But
yeah, no problem.
Appreciate you working with me there, and glad that I can get through to you guys. Thank you so much for all the love in the chat. By the way, appreciate everybody in here.
You're so loved.
No problem. Let's we need some hearts for Steve.
Oh.
Love it.
Steve, you want to check out PLTR really quick?
Yeah.
I'm looking at longs.
Looking at a long on PLTR. Interesting. Okay.
All right.
It's pretty high beta.
I closed my
trade was 5
position.
Sorry, what'd you close, Dave?
No, I closed my short.
Nice. Clean. Yeah, I like the kind of the just taking the opening rip. So let's see if we get the back test and reject further, or what we do here. Palantir, it isn't sparking joy, but I got stopped out of this last week, so maybe I'm just bitter. That's a possibility. That's always a possibility. I don't love it unless it can get over high of the day for the open, or that opening range, and for a long at least. To me, yeah, I'm feeling pretty good about not doing anything here. I'm gonna be honest.
This account is funded. I'm done.
Yeah. Nice.
Let's go.
Let's fund another one.
Guys, go smash the like, okay? Add whatever emoji you want in the chat. Just funded an account again. So Alejandra's killing it, and then just being nonchalant about it.
I know, right? Cool as ice. So last week it was you, Dave, and now I gotta be really cool next week. That's what I'm. We had some interesting stuff going on in the chat that I want to talk about too. I think your community is awesome and great at like helping each other out. Like this is just one comment that really what resonated. Like if you're not feeling well, you don't need to trade, guys. Like,
Yep.
you know, this is something I tell myself constantly. I'm not really feeling it today, and I'm just not trading.
Mm.
Kind of smart seeing this move happen without me, but you know what? There's going to be another. There's going to be another after that. And
Yep.
yeah, the worst thing I can do is if I'm feeling bad is hop on stream, force a trade, have to smile through it, you know, grin and bear it, and just, you know, it just compounds, you know, and then I'm got a chip on my shoulder when I get off stream, you know, it's no good, no good.
Indeed. No, I totally agree. If you're not feeling it, you know, what's the saying? When you're in doubt, stay out, whatever.
That's a good one. Yeah.
So I agree there. But yeah, we were touching on PLTR actually. Let me just switch to my screen. It is an asset I used to hold, but for personal reasons, I got out at I think 180. Where's PLTR?
Man, Micron's getting hammered. Ugh.
Really?
Down 50 points in 15 minutes. Oof.
So you said you wanted to start buying calls here. Interesting area, 122 from the lower high. All right, we almost touch 100.
Let me look at it on another. I want
said-
another retest on M&Q.
Here's my thing on Palantir, though.
Yeah.
It
Talk to
doesn't
me.
move up when software as a service moves up. It doesn't move up when we are at war. It doesn't move up. It just doesn't move up. I don't get it. Like I've been watching.
I mean,
this
it
for a while.
did move up. It did move up
Okay.
before that, right?
Okay.
I can
mean,
tell you
got me there,
because
Dave.
I was buying there. But
How do I buy it back then? Is that a possibility? I don't see that on my broker, so it doesn't help me. But I do agree. You got me there.
yeah, so
Lavin Bamblani. Lavin Bamblani. That's a fun name to say. As saying earnings soon as well. So that's gonna throw a monkey wrench into things as well.
true.
Personally, that means you're paying a lot for the contracts too. You're paying that extra, you know, the extra kind of juice, the extra premium to bet on something into a large binary event. So for me, not loving it, but
Well,
I'm just mad.
I'm looking at it from 15-minute perspective. It's holding this little area here of consolidation, and there's a gap to fill from like 127 to 130. So I kind of just want to ride that long and then get out.
So you're not the first one who's been looking at this. Like, let me say that. Like, there's a reason why I was looking at it like a week or two ago. I was seeing people looking at it last week. There's a lot of like call gamma up at the 130, 135, 140. It just isn't acting super good.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know how else to say it. Like, it just feels bad to me. I'm not very articulate today.
So is the fact that Alex Carp been running his mouth recently affecting the asset? Maybe, I don't know.
Well, I think there's a lot of kind of things going on. My kind of angle was I liked the gamma setup. I liked the chart setup a week or two ago. We were seeing money rotate from chips into software as a service. We were also seeing the potential kind of, I was thinking bottoming on Palantir off of basically them getting booted from, what was it, Spain and France, I think. They don't want them anymore. So with all those factors, it seemed like it was kind of bottoming on bad news. Those were not like new news items that France and Spain were moving away from them for national security reasons. Makes sense. You don't want a foreign actor company holding all of your juicy secrets. You know, it makes sense to go in-house. Yeah, so exactly. That's what I was thinking. It was obvious, and like the market shouldn't be worried about that. I don't think they are. I think they just don't like me, and they don't want to reward me right now.
So it's a personal problem with you, huh?
It's probably a personal vendetta for me.
Probably that. Okay.
Thinking empirically here, you know.
Yeah, obviously with the great evidence. But interesting. But
Yeah,
I think
sorry, I'm being a smartass. What I would actually say for Palantir is if it can reclaim a significant level, for starters, the 125, but it's got some more work to do in my book. I really would need to see it holding over 130 and then I could see the quick move. I'd rather play the faster move, holding after
Mm-hmm.
acceptance over 130 to 140 than I would like getting chopped in the sloppy 125 to 130 ish kind of range.
Makes sense.
But hey, I think I'm cursed on this one, Alejandra. So if you see it, go for it.
We'll see. I might get cooked.
Oh, you're in already.
Maybe.
I'm so sorry. Let me know and I'll stop being a bummer. Just I can.
No. That's why I asked you, because I need feedback. I mean, I need a support.
There you go.
There you go.
All
She
right,
needs
so
support, not resistance.
Resisting our support.
Speaking of support and resistance, we have reached an area where they've started to nibble in a little bit on the NQ. We talked about these levels pre-market where, around here, we could have seen some buying, and around here. I did not look at my, what's it called? My opening range levels. Let's take a quick look for those who follow. I know Lavin follows them.
Nice.
So we did, oh man, smack dab in the, let's call it one standard deviation here. We tapped into that. So opening range from here to here. Oh no, I don't want to see. Well, actually, we want to see red if we're short, but I'd rather put it yellow. So yeah, opening range right here. And then this is the same distance here. So we tried the high, pushed here. I shorted here personally. I think Alejandra caught it a little bit higher around here. And then I got half of it here, the rest here.
Beautiful.
And well, I didn't catch the bottom wick, somewhere around here.
Dave, you bottom ticked.
But yeah, right. Yeah, right. So we're trying to recover here. It's a pretty good area. What we want to watch is once we get back to this area, what do we do? Do we push back lower, or are we able to break higher? And I would say, if judging on past behavior, here, we've gotten some pretty good reversals. So will we do the same today? Well, we're about to find out.
PLTR does not look good.
Looks like neither do I. I think the same thing happened again. I'll try to hop out and hop back in.
No problem.
What was I gonna say? The market is giving us possibly a retest.
Yep. Pushing your screen.
I would like to turn again, but I would like to do it on a funded account. I have 3 funded accounts now. Do you want to show me how to do copy, or should I just stick with one for today? Just to
Stick
kind of
with one for today because it's a little bit more complex. So we can't do it on stream.
All right, so let me look. Let me do this one. Okay,
So if you favorite them, they're on the menu. There's a favorites menu where you would just see the accounts you favorited. This way you don't have to scroll through everything.
yeah, I see them.
Yeah, cool. Never mind. Need some water. But that was awesome. That was awesome. Funded live, guys. You see it here. You saw it here first.
Yeah, I'm waiting for that retest confirmation, and I'm also watching Palantir.
All right, you're trying to do some options on Palantir?
Yeah.
And you trade options so much, you got me thinking of trading options again. And then I remember what happened to my Rocket Mortgage trade. And I'm like, nope.
Well, with options, what I learned is I need to scalp. I can't.
I've never tried that, actually. It was always, week long, 2 weeks long. I've never tried scalping. So you do 0 DTs?
Pretty much. In the money.
Okay. Maybe I'll try that someday.
Go small size. I mean, just risk. Like yesterday.
Oh, yeah, definitely. I'll go tiny size.
Yesterday 2 days ago I bought $87 contract and I made 80% on it. So I only risked $87.
Nice.
Yeah, see, it's holding. So I'm up to 3%.
Oh, okay. I thought you said you were up like 80% or something. I was like, how?
Oh, that was 2 days ago on SPX, I think.
Okay, I was like, hell yeah, I don't know how you did it, but
I've been saying we're at mid of opening range. Are you using 15 or using 30 minutes? Because for me, if you're using the 15, we're not at the mid just yet. Let me see if I switched to 30 minutes. I'll switch my screen real quickly so we can see. So, Cowish, I know you follow this. Opening range is here. Let me get all the other lines out of the way so you can see. Even the volume, we don't need it right now. All right, here are the lines. This is the range right here. And this would be one standard deviation down. We are, like Alejandra said, she was waiting for a retest to short, and it's coming in right now.
I'm gonna re-enter on the next candle in 10 seconds.
So if we, let's see. I want to short it also, but I want to show this first. So if we do a 10, we are at the middle. So it's a good area to short, actually. Let's try. Sell.
Bad entry. Fuck. I missed
All right. Oh, I just got in. Not a great entry, but just one contract for me.
I'm not chasing.
So we'll see.
yeah, look for
I'm risking half my half the day's profit, more or less.
Nice,
So we'll see.
Come on, give me an opportunity, baby. Let's go.
We have.
I'm chasing
Yeah.
a little bit. This might be a recovery, though.
73,400 is still pretty lit up here. I would like to see the move down for you.
We'll see if we get it.
Yeah.
A little bit less. This has to flush fast. Otherwise, this might be where we recover from and we continue higher, a higher low. So we'll see if that happens. Keeping my eye peeled for that. So we'll either get stopped out because this is actually the reversal, or it will continue lower.
I'm in.
Alejandra's in. So let's see if we get it.
See, USAM or USA AM, I'm not sure. USAM saying wants to go long.
Use some.
But no
Yeah, me too.
15-minute double bottom makes me suspicious. I'm with you there. No proper structure in any capacity for me intraday so far. So I'm chill.
Sweep of the low.
Which low? Asia? There? I mean, midnight?
Like 7:28. So yesterday.
6:45. We'll see. We got a couple. Usam is short. Okay, so a comment here on gold. You're saying, why is the spread so high? So on futures, you shouldn't be getting any spread. What might be happening? Okay, it looks like we're holding the level.
I think they're gonna mess with you guys. I hope they don't.
I'm changing my mind.
I don't like gold just yet because it's coming into an area of demand, but I feel like it's gonna go lower, so I'm gonna watch it. Keep it on watch. Let me look at MES. MES, it's coming down nicely. We still have some lows to sweep down here.
Yeah, I'd like to see 7340, 7350 nodes continue to grow. I will keep you posted on those. Right now, sitting at about minus 576 million at 7340 and minus 900 million at 7300. I wouldn't expect us to really get down that far, but it is possible.
Also, SPX has not swept the lows either at 73, 76. That's going to be my indicator. I'm up 300.
Nice. Holding tight. I got out because I thought we might be reversing, so I don't trust that one really. But don't let me influence you.
Damn it. PLTR faked me.
Me and you both.
Yeah, I don't really trust
it. It's not a fun one. Oh, what do we see?
Oh, hell no.
I don't trust it.
Yeah, we're at 70. It's like a sticky level here with the 7400 on SPX being 5 points above. Like, we are kind of gravitating away from it now a little bit, so we can see if that kind of traction sticks. Just
We shall see.
we were trading into the yesterday's kind of lows where you would think there would be some stickiness, some checks. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it plays out.
We'll see. I feel like they're trying to hold it.
Most of the charts I'm looking at, they have this mean range where they tried to push up and then they tried to push down, and they're kind of hanging out right around their VWAPs.
All right, so 73.75 on XPX is my first profit target. Second profit target, I can leave a runner to 73.50.
I like those targets for sure. If we do get the downward draw, that is where we would go. I just wonder when and how much they're going to make us work for it. So I feel like I'm very negative today. I'm just like
negative Nancy.
I am, but I think that's the clinical term for it, Dave.
Hey, that is the clinical, technical, scientific term.
What's that?
What was the term?
Negative Nancy.
Oh,
yeah, I'm just a wet blanket over here.
Actually, I wanted to take that question. Why is the spread so high? So it might be that you are using, because the gold contract is going to change tomorrow. So it might be you're seeing less volume on one end than the other one, but you shouldn't be having spread issues with futures.
We're getting the drop. We're still Gucci fam. I'm bringing my risk into not profit, but almost profit. I'm just risking $54 on the funded.
Nice.
So here's a perfect example. If it hits my profit target, Dave, if I make $745 on this funded, do you think
you can make up to 1,200?
Oh, then let me move for this.
If you want to stay, if for consistency, you could make up to 1,200.
Okay, cool. We'll keep it to a G.
Because 40% of 3,000 is 1,200. So you are all good. What?
PLTR. Don't laugh at me.
I'm not laughing at you. I'm laughing at something else totally different that I was just thinking of, actually. Sure. But you look at your SPX coming into target.
There we go, and I chickened out. So it is not stoic Dave today, Steve.
I wasn't helpful. I'm wishy-washy.
No, you're fine. It was I just jumped in the trade. I didn't really thought about it, so
yeah. Gunslingers, just taking your shot. Shoot first. Ask questions.
It just hit the first profit target, 73.75.
Boom, nice. And yeah, a little game update.
It didn't have me confirm.
Go. Yeah, we could get that update, Steve.
Yeah. Just sorry. Just was checking in myself. Yeah, just small build up at our lower nodes there. As expected, the node that we just kind of transacted, that's coming off, which just means that basically, hey, as we come down to price, they're monetizing those contracts, and seems like a decent percentage of those are, letting the play run, so to speak, putting those contracts on down lower with their profits. So if that is the case, we can see the kind of waterfall action. So far, that is what we're seeing. So nice action there. It's already a big move.
IBM pushed a new high. I wanted IBM calls at 200. It's at 230.
Nice. Yeah,
PLTR is gonna cook me today, I think, unless it holds. But
which one is?
PLTR. I'm down 12%.
I think. How long do you have?
Till today.
Oh, yeah. I don't know. I don't know. For me, I don't know if it's worth the headache.
I need a 0 DT crash course.
It's holding.
Don't trade.
Alongside a PTSD course for trading options and getting heavily burned in the past.
That can be the webinar. I just went dark screen again.
You can join our Friday morning webinar for psychology segment.
I guess I'm going to tune in because Rocket Mortgage is still Rocking my boat. Abrado, how you doing? How you doing? He is back. We're playing musical chairs today, but we're good.
Long time no see, guys.
It's been a while.
Oh, God.
I was going to ask you, Steve, regarding today, regarding that funds rate. Do you have an idea? I mean, do you think it's going to be any change, or it's going to just be same old, nothing changes, keep rates the same? Or says AI is going to save us?
That's a great question. Do you want to ask me in like 5 minutes? There's a few things I want to check first before I have some resources I like to go over, and I haven't had a chance yet. I was planning on doing that in between streams, so get back to me in 3 to 5 minutes.
I'll get back to you. No problem.
I was seeing how fast I could pull it up, and I was like, I can't do it in real time.
No, you're fine. No, just at least me. I think things are going to remain unchanged. But that's just me freely speculating. But
no, that's generally the assumption, and we're under the whole family fight model with him, right? So less information publicly, and basically we're on a need to know basis, and yeah. I think that actually is kind of refreshing. I don't know. At the same time, I'm neurotic. I want all the information, but then again, I'm also the kind of guy who looks up on WebMD every little symptom. It's like, oh, I have cancer. So, maybe it's better that I don't have that. Maybe it's better that the market doesn't have that. I really don't know. It'll be interesting to see how it plays out, and I don't know. It's just interesting to see how the market. It's kind of like when you get a new boss at work. And, it's like, how do we feel about this?
Yeah, how do we feel about this? Are we going to well, first, as usual, you dislike him. And then maybe it turns out to be the best thing, the best change ever. So
he's no Michael Scott. He's no, he's no Jerome Powell. But
yeah, definitely a different personality type here. So we'll see. Very different approach. I heard of the thing where, was it a congressman, who asked him about the special committee he put together, and, everybody's on a need-to-know basis. Did you hear that?
Did I hear what?
So he put together this side. Steve's frozen.
No. I can hear you guys.
You look so. I gotta take a picture.
No.
You took a picture of me once.
I'm the least photogenic person ever when I get freeze framed. It's so embarrassing. You guys suck. Okay, fine. I'm not even gonna tell you. I'm not even happy for you that Palantir's going up now.
Karma. I'm gonna get stopped out here.
I will try again. Sorry about this.
Oh, you're good. Okay. I'll have to check on my end.
Steve, let me see where. Steve, I don't know why I WhatsApp you. I should just text you.
Steve disappeared.
Wait, he never texts me back. He's like the boy.
That's what she said. He's like what?
He's like the boys that I talk to.
You're getting friend zoned.
Yeah.
Man, I've been out of the dating game for so long. It's
I don't even date. I'm so over it.
Alrighty.
My mom irritates me with her. You're just getting older. I'm just accepting the fact that you're not gonna give me grandkids. And I'm
wow,
like,
really?
I have a dog. I'm like, take care of her.
I mean, dog, kid, different, but slightly different. But hey, my mom had me at 42, so there's always time.
Girls living life on easy mode. Oh yeah. Okay. I need another drop to this new low. Otherwise, I'm getting out.
All right, let's see. Are they trying to buy it or not?
It might stop me out, actually.
You are back.
I'm
back. He's being mysterious today, playing hard to get.
Let's go with
Not
that.
texting back.
Let's go with that.
Steve, I texted you. You never texted me back.
When did
There we
you
go.
text me? What are you talking about? Did you
Please
really?
tell
Are you
me I have
messing
the
with
right
me?
number.
What?
Please tell me I have the right number. I probably don't.
I
Oh my
don't know
God.
who the heck you were texting, but that was not me. Wait,
Let
were
me
you actually
There's,
texting?
there's another Steve.
double check.
Oh my God! Wait, is that you? How do you have my number? You did text me. I thought this was a bit. Okay.
What do you mean? We are
Uh-oh.
on WhatsApp.
Stalker.
Oh, that does just have our regular phone numbers, huh? Yeah, that's not the best look. I'm so, Alejandra, I did not sleep well. I haven't slept well all
I
week.
can tell.
That's a hurtful thing to say. That's not what you say to your
No,
friends.
because,
What do you mean? What do you mean by that?
Oh man,
because
Why
today's
would
so
you do
fun.
this?
Today's so fun. Today's
because
so
I
fun.
I know it takes one to know one, right? Every time I don't
There you
sleep.
go. Oh, there you go.
I
No,
thought
every
we were
time.
cool.
No, listen, every time I don't sleep,
Yeah.
I'm not like, I don't feel well. I don't want to trade. I'm tired. I'm not like sharp. And usually, like, I can tell when you're sharp, even though I barely know you. But yesterday, you said you were tired. And then today, you said you were tired. And today, you're not like your regular Steve. So I know you're tired.
But regular Steve is tired. A nice recovery. But
And you're frozen again.
no.
You
Why?
have this face of like, oh man.
I feel like Charlie Brown, like, the sad, dejected walk. You pull the football away from me. All right, I'll try again. Sorry, guys.
I'm gonna get out of this.
Let's see.
It's about to stop me out. Whatever, I'll just let it stop me out. PLTR looks good. I think I need another cup of coffee.
Another cup of coffee?
Yeah,
Do you
this
make what kind of coffee do you make?
just like I have the little instant packets from Starbucks, the Pike place.
Okay.
Ooh, I'm
Cool.
in profit.
That's it. Nice, nice, nice. You always you ever tried Ethiopian coffee? Best coffee you have ever tried.
How do you drink it? Do you do pour over or do you
No,
buy
no,
it?
no, no. It's just coffee from Ethiopia. Any particular brand, any brand.
Oh,
Just
Ethiopia.
yeah, sourced from there, single origin. It's very smooth. I could drink it black, no sugar. It's really good.
Really? All right.
Is there any other way to drink coffee?
I add soy milk to mine.
Soy milk? Okay. Yeah, you could add a little bit of milk.
But can you send me a picture when you get a chance? I want to see. Because I've been looking into. I was thinking of getting that little. What's it called? Like the little thingies that you put in there. There's a name for it. I forget the
The
name.
thingies that you put in where?
The pods on the
Oh, the
machine.
pods. Yeah.
Yeah, I was thinking of getting that.
Okay.
Because
I prefer the, just whole bean that you I
yeah,
guess I'm a kind of coffee freak. But whole bean that there you go. There you go. It's printing.
yeah.
Nice. Man, I missed out on that short big time. What was I saying? Yeah.
Yeah.
So I prefer to get the whole bean and then grind it so it's kind of fresh. And then I have a little espresso machine. So that's how I make it. But you could get the pods or whatever. The brand that I try the Ethiopian coffee from is called, oh man, I'm going to forget it. I always forget when I'm put on the spot. It is called Methodical Coffee.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
All right, it's hitting my area. I think I should get out. Let's see if it'll give me one more push.
We're getting some pretty good volume there on that flush. So we'll see. Is it people coming into the store or out of the store? Is it the start of the reversal?
I'm out.
We will see. Nice. She's out. Congratulations. Man, she's killing it. She is killing it.
Thank you.
700 on this one. And that's the funded, right?
Yeah.
700 on the funded, and I don't even remember how much on the other ones, but awesome. Awesome, 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 awesome.
Yeah, these
We're
are just
just
like chill trades.
yeah, these are good. Structure is nice.
Like, look at
Just
how beautiful, right? Right on market open, I'm like, all right, I want to retest. I
wait. Let me
entered in a little
switch
bit.
back to yours. Let me switch back to yours.
Yeah, let's recap this, okay, guys? Take
Let's
notes.
recap the trade. First of all, why did you get into the trade? Then, when you got into the trade, why did you hold the trade? Why was your target where it was? Let's get it.
Okay, so let me go to the to trading view because I want to show you guys the levels that I had. So we first are below this order block. Anytime we're below a specific order block, we are bearish. Let me show you how I got that order block. I have it from over here, 4-hour time frame. So that's what gives me the confidence to stay in my shorts. Now, because we didn't get a higher low after this candle, it was during Asia session. If you guys take a look, we have rejection and resistance at that level. So we're going to make that red so you guys could see. And then if you go to a 15-minute time frame, you see how every time it stays below that level, it stays short. And the market is attracted to buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity. So if we draw a line on the highs, and let's make it black because usually I have my buy side black and my sell side black. So right now it's about to go sweep that low. I could have kept holding, but I just didn't want to like risk it on a funded account, and I want to be safe and smart.
That's it. I like it.
And I usually look for 15-minute bearish fair value gaps for confirmation to see if it'll tap into it and get rejected to go lower. In this case, we have this green box here, which is the 15-minute bearish fair value gap, and it just never went above it, right? So you guys could see the rejection. Please enter a 1 on the chat if you can understand me. Number 2, we have a trend line crack. So just to make it easy, anytime it cracks the trend, you wait for the retest of that trend line, and then you take your short to the previous sell side liquidity. You could have 1 profit target, 2 profit target, and then 3 profit target. That's usually how I coach my team on Discord. And then you go to the 5-minute time frame and you wait for your entry on a 5-minute time frame just to watch it to see if it's gonna hold it. But if it gets rejected, you wait for your entry on the 1 minute, which is that area right there. And so I entered short, I think like here, because I thought this was the retest. And then I just risked above those highs, and I just pretty much rode this as my first trade. And then I saw another 1 minute bearish fair value gap, which is right here. And I said, if it doesn't go above that, then we can enter in again. And I entered in again. I missed this drop. I missed that entry, but I entered in right here. And I just rode that to the previous low. And see, you see how it still has room to come down to this low? Like, watch, by the end of the session, it probably will hit it. But I just, when you're trading live, like, it's kind of, your mental load is a little bit lower. So I don't want to wait and see if it'll touch and sweep that low. So it's better for me to just get out of it and just lock in my profits. So that's that.
I like it. There's a question for you actually while you're going over that. From Lavin.
Okay, so when I watch the daily chart, I see 6 back-to-back red candles, which is hampering my decision making to go short. Any tips on this? Okay, let me see the daily chart. Okay, let's look at the daily chart. 6 back-to-back red. So was it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Yeah, for me, I don't like that, because anytime I see red to red to red to red, there's always a potential of a retest, and I just don't want to be a part of that retest. So I need more indication. I need more indicators in this case, right? So I don't know if that makes sense to you, but everybody has an edge, right? And my edge is very, like, everything is calculated. So as you guys can see, I don't have any indicators. Like, I didn't even use the volume. So I literally just use ICT methods. That's all.
That's it. That's how she does it. Easy peasy. Indicators are decorations on your chart. That's all it is. Okay. Close your eyes, click buy, and or click sell. Sorry, follow
Yeah.
Alejandra, and you'll be fine.
And so do
So
you guys see how we have this 1 minute bearish fair value gap? If it holds this and it gives us higher lows, then we need to be careful, because maybe what can happen is it can literally invert this. It can come back and retest it. It can keep going. It can, just keep doing this, and then from there it can go like this. So I don't want to be a part of all that. I rather just lock in profits down here.
there we go. There we go. Lavin asking you another question. Still, you're minting in shorts, and I'm barely able to punch orders, thinking it will reverse. So, you got any advice for Lavin here? I got some advice, but I'll let you talk to him first.
I kind of just went over like what to kind of look for if you
Yeah,
want to.
but how do you eliminate? I think he's afraid. So, how do you eliminate that fear? By the way, I'm long.
Still, you minting in shorts, and I'm barely able to punch orders, thinking it will reverse now. I don't know what is the fear, that he wants to go in short, but he's scared.
He wants to. I guess he wants to take trades, but he's afraid to get in, right?
Yeah, then don't get in. You don't have an edge.
I think
The
I'll
edge
touch.
isn't there, right? Like if you have fear, that means the edge isn't there. But if you have an edge, you have to just trust and build that trust over time, so that you can get confident with your entries.
He's saying, I guess the daily candles are having him worried. But I'll tell you something, Laughing, and
Yeah,
we've
go for
touched on it with Victor. The higher time frames supersede the lower time frames, right? So if there's a trend going, and you see, for example, we've been red for 6 candles, it supersedes it. We agree there. But the changes happen from the lower time frames within. So if you're gonna get a reversal, it's gonna happen from the lower time frames inside out, right? So either way, what you need to think is, okay, the daily candle is saying something, but a daily candle takes the whole day to happen. What kind of trades are you taking? Are you taking a trade that you're going to hold for a day, or are you taking a trade that you're going to hold for a few minutes or a few hours? Then the daily candle should be your reference, but within that reference, you are able to take both long and short trades, right? So
Fair value got perfectly. You see that? And then look, it just hit the new low. Like, guys, I'm telling you, I'm not predicting. I just read the market, what it gives us. And now the second level, either, I told my team yesterday, I said either it starts holding at this level, or I mean, honestly, like, going back to the daily chart. Ooh, my Palantir
think-
15%.
yeah, I think that one is a little delayed because we're actually reversing right now.
Oh, what?
I'm
Really?
long. Yeah.
There's
Look
no
on Black Arrow.
Oh, interesting. Okay. Well,
So we did touch that level you showed.
be careful.
Yeah, I'm being careful.
All right, so look, let's draw this downtrend. Until that downtrend is broken, we're gonna reverse. So in this case, I want to see now 27,450 as the next level. Damn, I should have kept holding. Where's Steve? I want to show him my Palantir.
Steve is struggling. He's saying, haha, same here. I was just replying to Steve. Oh, so I have this thing where I could talk into the mic and it types. I don't have to type, so
Oh, that's cool.
I forgot to mute myself.
It's okay. I'm craving a bagel.
A bagel.
Like with a bagel with cream cheese, but I can't do dairy.
You can't do dairy? Oh, that's why you had the coffee with the soy milk.
Yeah. Okay, my coffee's ready. 1 second. Sorry.
No problem. No problem. All right, guys, we're trying to break this trend here. I don't know if it's going to break or not. I'm just trying a long. So I'm going to show you. We've touched an area of interest for me. Like Alejandra says, this might be, the area where we kind of continue this downtrend. Now, I like counter trend trading. So I'm risking about half of my PNL for a continuation and a reversal, but I might be too early, right? So I got in around here, and we'll see if this is able to continue to push higher or not. It is not a very, how could I say? Because of the struggle here and because of we're not seeing the increase in volume just yet, it is not a trade I'm holding very confidently, but we'll see if it works or not. Just risking this bottom wick here, but because there's a lot of hesitation, it might not work out. So we might need, at least to form the bottom, we might need to continue to push lower, test this wick, and then reverse higher. We'll see. I'm going against the trend like I like to, but it's not very likely because that downtrend is holding. So we'll see. It's not a very, how could I say? It's not an A+ setup. And these ones, you usually want to see immediate follow through. So right now, I already know it's not very likely to work out, right? Usually you want to see immediate follow through. You want to see, okay, 1, 2, 3, this candle breaks the trend. That pullback that it's doing, you want it to do it higher and then continue. But I have my stop. I'm in profit overall on the day. I'm risking half of this profit. If this doesn't work out, it'll stop me out, and then I'll take one more trade on the day, and then I'll be done. So we'll see if this works out. If it works out, great. But if it doesn't, then we're good. Lavin saying interesting view, though we stop in between. Let me look at the dailies. I haven't looked at the dailies. All right, we are just pushing lower. So we'll see.
I don't want to say I told you.
No, you can. I mean, look, I knew it wasn't the thing is, going short from where I bought wasn't a great risk reward trade. And then shorting from here for me is not ideal either. So I'll just get stopped out.
PLTR is messing with my emotions. It's like holding and then it pulls back. Holds, pulls back.
PLTR?
Yeah. I'm still holding though. Man, I wish I would have held. But it's okay. Like,
hey,
pretty much covered.
You killed it.
Now. No, actually, no, huh? No, I covered at 640. Damn. It would have. I would have for sure hit the 1200.
Yeah.
But it's okay. I mean, I'm gonna take it slow. This is how I've been killing it. Just 3, 4 micros.
Take a few trades. Take a few micros. You make your You made what? You made 700 on the funded, and then you made another 700 on the
Another
on
eval that got funded.
on the other eval, right? So that's like $1,500 on the day. You can't. I know the other one's not funded yet, but you can't downplay it.
But I will have. So tomorrow, I need 1,400 to fund another one. So then I'll have four funded, and let's do the math. If I make, let's just say average 700. How much is 700 times 4?
2,800.
I'll take that.
There we go.
And
That's awesome.
That's hella low risk.
Yeah, but that's honestly how you stay in the game.
Yeah.
You know, you're taking small trades, and then what happens is gradually it stacks up, and then you start getting those exponential returns, right?
Yep. Exactly.
I mean, if you so there's a prop firm, not a prop firm where you get funded, but a traditional prop firm where what they do is they scale you up 20% every 2 weeks that you're profitable, right?
What does that mean, scale up?
So, for example, let's say right now you're trading a maximum of 3 micros, right?
Uh-huh.
I mean, yeah, 3 micros. So that means that the next 2 weeks, what would happen is, and I don't know if you have a stop during the day, like a maximum amount you don't go over, but that's what they do. They have, for example, you start at, let's say, $1,000 stop, and then you progress. After 2 weeks, your stop goes to 1,200, and then after 2 weeks, it's another 20%. And what happens is over time, it grows exponentially. So there's a story of one trader. His daily stop started, it was $400. By the end of the year, because of how well he was performing, his daily stop was $400,000 in a year. So he went from being able to risk $400 per day to $400,000 per day.
What?
Just by
Wait, on a funded?
No. And it's a traditional prop firm, not a
Oh.
yeah. So you know where they give you capital, you have a bunch of people, et cetera, et cetera. So that's how much you could grow in a year by just increasing it 20% every 2 weeks.
Yeah. I
Right?
see. Super cool.
Yeah. Usam saying, Dave, I've noticed when 15-minute double bottoms or equal lows don't appear, never go long in the downtrend. Yeah, I mean, look, that's the setup I was looking for. We saw here's what I saw. We had I don't know if you guys know Elliott waves and stuff like that. So we had wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. And then I saw the volume increase here. I thought, okay, this is probably capitulation. We built, and then this candle engulfed the previous candle. So I thought, okay, I could bet here, risk this low. And if we see follow through, then my target would have been somewhere around here, right? And then we would have gotten a quick 2-to-1, 3-to-1 trade. But that didn't work out. So it's fine. Risk is under control. We're still in profit. I think I was up $500. Now I'm up $250. So I'll wait. I really like to catch these reversals. This is my bread and butter trade. And it's one, when you get it, I mean, I will pile in when it starts working. So I was waiting for this to break. And if it broke, I would be adding. So from 2 micros, I would go to 4 or 5. And it would have been a nice trade, but it's not working. So I'm waiting for the next one to happen. And if it does happen, then great. If it doesn't happen, great as well.
I have this other level here at 167. I'm gonna make it orange. I don't know if it'll hit it today, but that is my daily support area that I have that's below a 1 hour, no, a 1 daily bullish fair value gap. And then I would really, really love to go long and full port at 26,400. But that's not going to be today.
Full port.
Remember the second level that I told you on SPX? It was 73.54. It's literally almost there. So we still have room to come down. Man, I should have held it.
Shoulda, woulda, coulda. You did great.
Thank you.
You could take a note, take a screenshot, huh?
Be kind to yourself.
Exactly. Take a note, take a screenshot. Another measuring stick that same prop firm uses. If there's a move and you captured 60% of the move, you get an A+ score. So that's one thing you could measure yourself against is, okay, so for example, we had let's see, if we measure from top to bottom, you're never going to top tick, but we measure from top to bottom. We had 485 points of a down move, right? And then 60% of that would be 485 by 60. So if you captured, let's say, 200 plus points, then you killed it. Right? So I think that's one way you could measure yourself.
How do I calculate?
So for example, you calculate how many points you got on your trade, and this way you measure, okay, did I trade well or not?
So I have to manually do it?
Yeah. You can look at you could look at the trades. If you go up, let's see. Let me put today.
Come on, PLTR. Why are you doing this to me? We have a meeting today, right?
No, I canceled it.
Oh, how come?
I could tell you off screen.
That was a deep sigh.
No major reason.
All right, I need to see a bottom so that PLTR could push. I don't think it's gonna give it to us yet.
89. Yeah. Oh, sorry. I was gonna show you how you can see how you can judge yourself.
Oh,
So
my PLTR expires on Friday.
Friday. Okay. Dave's got a date. Yeah, right. Nah, dude, I'm married. So if I have a date, it's with my wife. And no, I don't have a date on a Wednesday. Just got work to do, and not everybody's here. So, all right. So you go into this. You go into charts and trades, whatever. Right?
How do I get there?
So you go, and you'll see this little icon there.
Hold on. I don't know if I have that, Dave.
That's weird. I'm gonna look at your screen in a few. I'm still waiting to see if I catch that reversal. It's about to be 11 o'clock, but I'm feeling like I want to try again.
Yeah.
Give me 1 second, guys. All right, I'll wait for a break and then a pullback, and we'll see if we get it. I hate when I'm talking and then the trade happens and I don't have time to get in.
I know, huh?
So, okay. So if you have that, you get in and then you see, so these are all the trades for today for me. And then you'll see here, trade PNL in points. So for example, on this trade, I made $357 and then it was 89.38 points, right? So for example, so I captured 89 points. So if the move was, I don't know, 200 points, then, I'd consider I did great.
Okay. So 200 points would be good?
I mean, for me.
Okay.
Alejandra's like, I'm too tired. I can't follow this. But
I just don't want to do the work.
the other thing that I was talking to you about, I think we're reversing. I'm going to try take a stab at it. Start here. Where was I? Yeah. So for example, let's say we do it with contracts, right? And you're trading 3 contracts right now. And you say every 2 weeks that you're green, right? Not that you were green every day, but you just were green overall, right? So you multiply that 1.2. So every 10 days, every 2 weeks. So 3.6. So call it 4 contracts. You go up 1 contract every 2 weeks. Right? There's 52 weeks in the year. So we're going to multiply that 52 times and we'll see where we get to. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. In 20 weeks, you would be trading 100 micros, right? Of course, it'll never be a steady curve.
Yeah.
But what I'm saying is at the beginning, it seems like nothing. Like you're increasing 1 micro every 2 weeks. That's stupid. That's ridiculous. Well, that's what exponential returns means. It means that in 20 weeks is 5 months. So half a year, you would be trading 100 micros. Of course, it's not realistic because it's not going to be like that. Exactly.
Yeah.
But you could be trading way bigger just by increasing size slowly like that, right? And if I keep going, we were at 20. So 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You see, we get to 4,000 micros. That's when I talk about exponential returns, that's what I mean. Like if you increase slowly, it'll grow. Oh shoot. While I'm blabbering, this thing's taking off.
No, wait for a retest and see.
Yeah, I'll wait. Because it could be a fake out as well. It could be, okay, we're trying to break the trend. Whoa, sorry. We're trying to break the trend. Where is it?
PLTR is holding, so I'm noticing that as MNQ is holding, PLTR goes. When MNQ pulls back, it pulls back. So I need this to bottom.
Nice.
And it's moving. It's paying me really nicely. Like
I like it.
I only bought 2 contracts for like $260 each, and just 10% right now. I'm up like $50.
Nice.
So imagine 20%. That's 100.
Yeah.
Right. So
nice.
Low risk.
Low risk. It's easier on your health, and then like I said, exponential returns. Like you gradually grow it. Because we always think, oh no, I'm just gonna double it every week. It's not sustainable.
All right.
I think we're catching the reversal.
Go to the 1 minute on the left.
Go to the 1 minute.
Yeah, and look for a fair value gap.
Okay, so where would you add? I know where I would add, but where would you add?
I don't have any confirmation yet, but probably where that. Oh, you're already in.
Yeah, I'm in. I just need to add to it.
Probably at that red line.
Where my stop is?
No. Oh no, that's way far. No, let me take a look.
Okay, it's touching my entry.
Okay, do you see? Oh, you're on MES, huh? No, you're on MES.
No, I'm on MNQ.
Yeah, I would have added at that pullback because you see that line that you have, that indicator.
The purple one.
Yeah. Oh, that's purple. It looks orange.
That.
Yeah. Watch that. That would be an ad right there.
Okay.
So let me see.
I'm waiting to add.
The ad for me would be 27,558, but I would have added on that, and I would risk below 540, or even just the lows, 550.
I'm risking the lows, yeah. But once I add, I'll have to move to adjust the stop. So I'm waiting a little bit because oftentimes these are false breakouts, false reversals.
Yeah.
So I'm not in a hurry to add. And then we're going to have the hourly close in a bit.
We have 5 minutes left on the stream.
We have 4 minutes left on the screen. You see, there we go. If I was too eager to add, then right now I'm underwater. So we're just waiting.
Oh, my internet. I need to fix it. I think I'm going to get a different internet next month.
All right. I'm not paid by them, but AT&T is pretty good where I'm at. So,
I'm going to get Xfinity.
okay, cool.
They gave me 100 a month for like the fastest Wi-Fi.
Nice.
Apparently, the best Wi-Fi is with cable. You shouldn't get a router.
With cable.
Yeah, like an Ethernet.
You mean fiber optics? Oh, the best connection. Yeah, it's better to have it plugged in. I used to have it plugged in, but this one's works pretty well.
You see that 1 minute fair value gap?
That one? Well, there's
No.
not really a fair value gap here.
Yeah, right down there. You see the 2 red candles and then the green one?
Okay, I think it's better we go to your chart because I don't know which.
I drew it. I drew mine.
All right, go ahead.
Right here.
But we're right at the area where I would add.
Yeah, right there.
Oh, yeah, where we dipped in?
So if it holds this, then I would add there. But if it doesn't hold that, then obviously I wouldn't add.
And then the other thing I do is instead of adding on the down move, so a lot of people set limit orders and add, I prefer to set a stop and get it as it's curling up. So I'll sacrifice a little bit of a better price, but I'll wait for it to like confirm and curl up before I add.
Is anybody trading options here? Anybody trade options? PLTR is holding nicely. I'm up 14%.
Nice.
Use some waiting for the hourly close before taking a reversal. That's smart. Very good. I'm getting cold.
Really?
Yeah. So I have 3 windows open.
Okay, I added.
Nice. Very good.
So now we shall see.
Like, go back to your screen since you're trading. I'm flat.
Oh, yeah, sure. This is where we found out. It's struggling a little bit. So we'll see. And then we're going to get this hourly candle, which might change the game. So I would rather see this push up before the hourly candle. So we'll see. There we go.
For you.
There we go. There we go. There we go.
What's your profit target?
Profit target, let me tell you right now. 3 possibilities. 720s more or less would be first one. So around.
Let's go, baby.
Sorry, 702s. And then that would be the first one. And then the second one would be somewhere around VWAP, depending on how it behaves. So for first CP here, more or less, which is how many points away? 130 points. That might be a little bit too ambitious. You know, usually they stop it around 100 points, 75 points. So somewhere around here would be TP1. And then somewhere around VWAP would be TP2. But the second one, as usual, is the bonus. So, you know, we hold. But yeah, we're catching the reversal. And that's what I like. All right, guys. Well, it is 11 o'clock. we are catching this reversal. Hopefully it doesn't re-reverse on me. We'll see. And I will see you tomorrow.
We're done?
Yeah, it's 11 o'clock.
Oh, damn. Okay. All right, guys.
All
It's been
righty.
so much fun.
It's been great. It's been great. You've been making profits like it's nothing. I like it. All right.
See you guys tomorrow. Say hello on my DMs and follow me on the socials.
There we go.
Discord.
There we
Bye.
go. There we go. All right.